So, you're scrolling TikTok, learning a dance, or laughing at someone's dog reenacting movie scenes. Classic. But what if I told you that TikTok isn't just about fun? It's also a serious platform for making money. Yep. TikTok has over 1 billion active users, and its algorithm is like your fairy godmother, granting reach and visibility if you play your cards right. Today, I'm breaking down how you can make money on TikTok. Whether you're a dancer, gamer, artist, or just someone with hilarious shower thoughts, grab your phone and let's turn those 15-second videos into cash.
1. Join the TikTok Creator Fund. TikTok pays creators directly through the Creator Fund if you meet the criteria. At least 10,000 followers, 100,000 video views in 30 days, and regular content uploads.
It's a straightforward way to earn for just doing your thing. Humor hook. Basically, if your videos keep people scrolling instead of sleeping, TikTok says, "Here's some money, thanks for the insomnia." 2. Brand collaborations and sponsored content. Once you build a following, brands will pay you to promote their products. From skincare routines to tech gadgets, TikTok influencers are cashing in big. Fun twist. Don't worry, you don't need 1 million followers. Micro-influencers, like you, are the new marketing superheroes. Think of it as being a walking, talking, dancing billboard. 3. Sell your own products or services, have a small business. TikTok is the perfect platform to showcase your products. From handmade crafts to fitness coaching, TikTok's viral nature can skyrocket sales. Just add a link in your bio and you're good to go. Example. People are selling everything from knitted cat hats to custom songs. The limit does not exist. 4. TikTok Live Gifts. Go live, entertain your audience, and get rewarded with virtual gifts that convert into real money. Whether you're singing, chatting, or just being your fabulous self, TikTok Lives are a fun way to connect and earn. Humor hook. Think of it as a modern-day street performance, but instead of coins in a hat, you get dancing pandas on your screen. 5. Affiliate marketing. Promote products you genuinely love and earn a commission on every sale. Add your affiliate links in your bio or your captions and watch the dollars roll in. Relatable tip. Pro tip. Only promote stuff you actually believe in. Nobody trusts an ad for world's best pasta maker when you've never boiled water. 6. Teach something unique. TikTok loves how-to videos. Teach people how to cook, edit videos, or even fold a fitted sheet. Seriously, it's a skill. Use TikTok to drive traffic to your paid courses or coaching sessions. Fun angle. Who knew your random talent for tying shoelaces in 10 ways could become a side hustle? 7. Become a TikTok consultant. Once you master TikTok's algorithm, help others grow their accounts. Offer consulting services to businesses and individuals who want to go viral and reach their goals. Humor hook. Imagine telling people you're a TikTok strategist at parties. It's like being the modern-day wizard of virality. So, which TikTok money-making method are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments, I want to know. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your TikTok-loving friends. Let's turn your TikTok scrolling habit into a money-making machine. After all, if people can get rich dancing with their pets, why not you?